2021 will be the year of electric cars in India. With the announcement of Tesla's entry by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari and the electric push given by Gadkari's ministry, there is a general buzz around electric cars in India. The central government and many states in India have recently announced their electric vehicle policy, which makes the segment exciting for both manufacturers and car buyers. With buyers becoming more aware about the environment, the demand for electric vehicles is only going to increase. If you are looking to reduce your carbon imprint and go green with your new car, here is a list of new upcoming electric cars in India that you may wish to buy. Let's start with BMW i3. The all-electric BMW i3 is expected to be lighter than most of its rivals in its segment. The car can travel a distance of 128 to 150 km on a single charge. BMW will also offer a range extender option which will boost the range to approximately around 300 km. The car can attain a top speed of 150 km per hour. The expected price will be around rupees 1 crore in Indian rupees and expected launch date will be somewhere around June 2021. Then comes Mahindra XUV 300 Electric. It is the all-electric version of the conventional XUV 300. Mahindra launched the car at the Auto Expo 2020. It will be Mahindra's first long-range electric vehicle. The car is expected to be powered by a 130 horsepower electric motor with a 30 kilowatt-hour battery, which will deliver a range of over 300 km on a single charge. The expected price will be around 18 lakh Indian rupees and the expected launch date will be around June 2021. Now let's talk about Jaguar I-Pace. It is accepting bookings and is expected to be available from March 2021. Jaguar Land Rover is expected to offer three variants for its I-Pace: S, SE and HSE. All the variants will come with two magnet engines. The motors will provide a combined output of 349 horsepower and 696 nanometer with a top speed of 200 km per hour. The expected range will be around 480 km on a single charge, and the price is expected somewhere around 1.5 crores to 2 crores Indian rupees. The expected launch date will be around March 2021. And then let's talk about Audi e-tron, which has already been launched worldwide. With 17,641 units sold worldwide, e-tron is a powerful electric car and is expected to be one of Audi's first high-end electric cars in India. The motor will be powered by a 95 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which will give it an expected range of around 400 km on a single charge. The battery will get charged from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. And the expected price will be around 1.5 crores Indian rupees. And the expected launch date will be February 2021. And then comes most hyped Tesla Model 3. Tesla's best-selling and most affordable model yet, Model 3 is set to make its Indian debut in 2021, and Tesla's arrival was confirmed by none other than Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. Tesla will import completely built units. The car will have the capacity get charged up to in 15 minutes and will have a range of 500 kilometers with a top speed of 162 kilometers per hour, with an expected price of rupees 55 lakh Indian rupees and an expected launch date of around March 2021. And then comes Tata Altroz EV, which was showcased at the Auto Expo 2020. This electric vehicle is expected to be packed with a 30 kilowatt-hour battery that will offer a range of around 300 km on a single charge. Altroz EV will look similar to its non-EV version. The battery will take an hour to get charged up to 80%. The expected price will be around 12 lakh to 15 lakh Indian rupees and the expected launch date will be January 2021. After Tesla's Model 3, there will be Tesla Model S, which is Tesla's flagship model and is expected to be launched with upgraded features in 2021. The electric sedan will be available in three variants: 75D, 100D and P100D. The P100D variant is expected to have the capacity to reach 0 to 100 km per second in 2.5 seconds. The expected range with a single charge is 348 kilometers to 520 kilometers, and the expected launch price will be around 1.5 crores Indian rupees, and the expected launch date will be around July 2021. And then comes Maruti WagonR Electric. Maruti WagonR is one of the most popular cars in India and will have an electric version soon. The car was expected to be launched in India but was delayed because of the high cost and the coronavirus pandemic. Not much is known about the car, but it is expected to be launched in 2021 with a price range of estimated around 8 lakh Indian rupees. And then comes Tata Tiago EV. Tata showcased the car at the 2018 Auto Expo. EV version will look similar to its fuel-powered Tiago. It is expected to be powered by a 30 kWh electric motor and a 216 Ah battery pack. The car will have a top speed of 100 km per hour. It will be in the budget car range, which can help in boosting electric cars in India. The expected price range will be around Rs 5 lakh to Rs 7 lakh, and the expected launch date is around March 2021. And then comes Volvo XC40 Recharge. This is the first all-electric SUV of the Swedish car maker. It was launched last year globally and is expected to be launched in India after the launch of S60. The SUV will have a 78 kWh battery powering 2 electric motors and will jointly produce 402 horsepower. The expected range will be 418 km on a single charge, and the expected launch date will be around April 2021. The expected price range will be between Rs 50 lakh to Rs 55 lakh. And the last option on our list is Porsche Taycan. Taycan's arrival in India was delayed because of the coronavirus pandemic. Taycan is Porsche's first fully electric car and one of the most powerful electric cars available. Its 79.2 kWh battery gives an power output of 600 bhp and can reach 0 to 100 km in less than 4 seconds. The expected range is around 500 km on a single charge, and the expected price is somewhere around Rs 2 crores to Rs 2.5 crores. The expected launch date will be around February 2021. So dear friends, I believe some of you would have shortlisted their first electric vehicle in 2021. For more such interesting videos, be in touch and subscribe to my channel, and please like this video if you found it informative. Thank you.